Morning, LFA here. I'm out here at the little road between Powerline Field and the 2-acre field. Just kind of seeing what's happening this morning with the wildlife. Got a few birds feeding in the sunflowers. When I say birds, I'm talking about doves. Lots of birds, other birds feeding in the sunflowers, finches, red-winged blackbirds, seen a shrike, probably some other ones too. I'm just looking right here at the Powerline Field, mainly because a lot of doves, as they come into the fields or onto the farm in the morning, they like to roost in the sunflower field Powerline before they drop down into the fields. So it's kind of a good staging point. I've probably seen 20, maybe 20 doves coming in, dropping in the fields, dropping in the soybean fields around me. But definitely there's some birds here, and like I said in one of my previous videos, we kind of hope that the trend as the month of July continues on, this is July 19th, that more and more birds will start showing up, the seeds maturing, drying out, and is becoming more available to the birds. I have definitely seen an increase in non-dove species, finches especially. There's probably hundreds of them here in little bunches and flocks feeding, so they're getting their bellies full, and hopefully doves will follow. I'm just making a few little short videos that I'll post with birds feeding in the sunflower field corn food plots. That's what it's all about. It's not just for the doves. A lot of different species and insects and all of these different things benefit from what we do, and they're better for it. Y'all take care. Happy Sunday morning. Thank you, Jesus. El Jefe's out. Mr. Redwing and a finch. Mr. Morning Dove just popped in on the power line.